Hello everyone, welcome back to Mind Quest. Today we're going to talk about how do we truly decode and understand what's happening in our life and why it's happening. Well, have you ever looked at your life and thought, why does this keep happening to me again and again and again? The truth is, your life isn't random, it's a mirror of your inner patterns. And these are your personality traits that you have developed, the choices you've made, the way you've programmed your nervous system, and how then that reacts to the world. So, today, we're going to break down exactly how to understand what's really happening in your life by decoding patterns, reflexes, and the way you perceive reality. Let's look at personality patterns as a blueprint. Your personality is like a blueprint for how you show up in life. It's the combination of your habitual thoughts, feelings, and behavior. Let's think of it as our default settings. Some of these patterns come from our genetics, our temperament. Others come from our experiences, especially from early childhood, when the brain is forming core beliefs about the world. For example, if your early life taught you that being careful keeps you safe, you might avoid risks even in situations where a little bit of risk could lead to growth. If your early life rewarded maybe boldness, you might leap into new opportunities without hesitation. The point is, your personality patterns filter your decisions and then those decisions shape your life. So, why do we make the choices that we make? Most of us think we are making rational choices, but actually, science says otherwise. Many of our decisions are driven by subconscious programming, the beliefs, fears, and expectations stored deep in the brain. When you're faced with a choice, your mind quickly scans your past experiences and asks, what's familiar? What's safe? What have I done before? This scan happens in milliseconds before you're even aware of it. And then your brain tends to choose what feels familiar over what feels best for you in the long run. That's why people repeat the same relationship patterns, the same career choices, or perhaps even the same self sabotaging habits. Now we talk about responses, reflexes in the nervous system. So here's where our most important, the parasympathetic nervous system and the sympathetic nervous system step in. Your body is wired to respond to the world in three main ways: fight, flight, or freeze. So, with a newer edition called fawn, this is kind of where you stay, kind of try to please the people around you to stay safe. However, when something in our environment feels threatening, even if it's maybe just your boss's tone or someone ignoring your text, your nervous system will react instantly based on your past conditioning. These reflexes aren't just physical, they also affect your mental and emotional responses. If your nervous system learned early on that conflict is dangerous, you might avoid speaking your mind. If it learned that love is unpredictable, you might either cling too tightly or just keep people a little far away. So, how does perception work? Your perception isn't just what's out there, it's a construction that your brain actively creates from sensory input, memory, and meaning. And here's the wild part: two people can experience the exact same situation but live in completely different realities. Why is this? Because your brain doesn't just record reality, it filters it out through your personality, your nervous system states, and your past experiences. If you're feeling safe and open, you might see someone's feedback as helpful. And if you're defensive or stressed, that same feedback might feel like harsh criticism. So, in other words, you don't see life as it is, you see it as you are. How to understand what's really happening? So, if you want clarity, you have to look beneath the surface. And here's a simple process. First, start noticing recurring patterns. Where do you keep ending up in similar situations? This could be in relationships, work, anywhere. And how you react to stress. How do you react to those patterns? Check your nervous system. Are you calm, anxious? Do you shut down? go into people pleasing mode? How do you make your decisions? Identify the belief underneath. Ask yourself, what would I have to believe for this choice to make sense? Challenge your autopilot. Before acting, pause and ask, is this choice based on who I want to become or who I have been? Create safety for change. Your nervous system needs to feel safe to make new choices. So incorporate deep practices like meditation, grounding practices, breathing, or even just gentle flow and movement through yoga. When you start to see your life as a reflection of your patterns and not as something which is happening to you, you go from a victim mindset to a state of power. Your personality isn't a prison. Your nervous system can be regulated and your perception can expand. And when that happens, the choices you make begin to create a reality that feels like yours. So, if this shifted your perspective, please hit the like button, share it with somebody who's ready to see their life differently, and don't forget to subscribe.